Hello, Doris. How are you? Hey, it's Doris. Oh, going under? Going under? Hey, Art. She likes to pose. Justice for George Floyd. Justice for Dr. George Washington Carver. Justice for George. Welcome to Candid Travels, Texas. Okay, I'm going to give a simple technical tip for the ATX ITAC family. If you don't want to make a bandana out of into a surgical mask, or using rubber bands or hair clips, you can use, this is a hook fishing neck gaiter. Now I've tried the other ones, like for cycling and such, but for me, see, I got a huge nose. Look at that big thing. It pushes up against my nose. So what works for me is this hook fishing. You can see the brand right here. So it's a really good face cover, so that you go into certain establishments and they want you to wear a face covering. Very comfortable. I can actually breathe a lot better in this one. And it's actually contoured for your nose so you can breathe. And I don't know how good can you all hear me right now. There you go. Okay, so that's it. The hook fishing neck gaiter tactic is a good example. Also, remember, because of this covering, you got to take a break. You got to take a break and breathe, okay? Even surgeons and doctors, we have to take the mask off every 20-30 minutes so we can breathe, so we can remember and think clearly and not be accident prone. So a lot of people don't understand that, because most people, they're civilians, they just started wearing masks now. So remember, you got to take a break. And with this neck gaiter, I know I'm not being paid by hook. It comes on and off very easily, like that. You don't have to tie it. It's elastic. You can cover your ears. In the sun, your neck is covered. My chest is covered. It's designed for fishing and hunting, to blend in with the environment, right? So yeah, there it is. You saw some other things, and you know what that's all about right before this. So let's see where we end up today. Welcome to Candid Travels. Once again in Sugar Land, Texas. I'm going to put on my surgical mask, and I want to show you, I found a actual injured dove. And I want to do some medical treatment on the dove that will help it survive. But I put the dove right here. Hello. See, I'm real close to her. I'm covering the mouth in case the dove, I'm getting real close. Hello. There's an injury here. Okay, she's a little spooked, but she's used to me now. Injured dove in Sugar Land, Texas. Her chest has some serious stuff there. But you can tell this is a dove rather than a pigeon because you see the beak. The beak here is very, very thin and the head is small. She's really resting. She's injured. That's why she's not going away. Here is injury in our breast. Now I'm trying to see if it's an injury or if it's a disease. So we're going to try to determine that. Let me show you how close I am to her. Yes, it's a female. We'll take a selfie shot. Here I am. All right. Okay, so I'm not going to show you guys what I'm going to do. Help repair her. Treated the dove, the injured dove, with some plasma ultrafiltrate, and you can look at her. Her eyes are much clearer. Okay. Literally just not even 60 seconds after treatment. Look at her. Look at her eyes. Hey, Allison, come check this out. Not even 60 seconds after treatment. Look at her eyes. See how her eyes are just much more cognizant? See, her eyes are open more? She's recovering. She moved. You see, she moved from there. She moved from there to there. It's female. Okay. Okay, how do I know it's a she? Because it's female. Come on, bird doctors, tell me. Okay, she's now standing up. Look. She's standing. She's standing up. She's standing up. Earlier she was just sitting down. So my treatment that I did for her worked. She's a wild dove, not a pigeon, as you can tell. Hello, good girl. Let me see your wound here. Oh my gosh, look at the wound. It's better. The wound on her chest is much better. The shape of the head and the eyes.
Really?
Yeah. Standing up. She was actually sitting earlier.
So she is. This is where you left her.
I put her over here.
Oh, so she did move.
She moved. Yeah,
Oh,
she
no,
moved.
she's
She's still resting, but notice her chest and her eyes are definitely more cognizant, and she's standing up now. So we'll see. Hopefully, if she's gone, she already originally put the dove here in the shaded area under this. And now she is standing up even more. She looks more cognizant. Yeah, her chest looks good. She had an injury on her chest. Right here, where the muscles were required to fly. And as you can see, the feathers are covering up the injured area again. And I've been doing UN method. Dr. UN, thank you. As well as the supplement with the plasma ultrafiltrate. We had some of that. This is just a wild dove. Look at him. Look at her. She's doing good. All right. Hey, you're nodding your head, huh? Yeah, you're getting better. Yeah, not looking too good, but we're gonna get you. Last visit. Thanks again for joining Candid Travels, Texas. How is our girl dove here? She's looking pretty good. She's standing up. Her chest looks much better now. I didn't have a chance to film the injury, but it's really doing good. So it's amazing, our ability to heal. This is our last stop, I think. This is called the wine room. Inside Corelli's Italian Restaurante in Sugar Land, Texas. So I got this for everyone. And I got Calypso. Yeah. All right, we're in the wine room at Corelli's Restaurante in Sugar Land, Texas. I've never been in here before. Look at this. All right, thanks for joining us at Candid Travels, Texas. Oh yeah. Hello, buongiorno. Grazie. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh yeah, this is really cool. Okay guys, thanks for joining us at Candid Travels, Texas for the fishing mask tactic and the healing of a wild dove. The treatment of a wild dove.
Sul tetto
On the side?
c'è scorta.
Okay, yes sir, I'll put it on the side.
All right.
Okay, last check on our dove little lady here. She is sleeping, resting. I don't want to get too close because I don't want to wake her. See, now her eyes are closed. It's nighttime. I'm putting a light on her. That's not great, but all right. Thanks for joining us at Candid Travels, Texas. We just got back from Corelli's Italian restaurant. Let's see if you can see her. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. If I walk too close, she might wake up. Wait, let me see. I want to wake her. But let's see if we go a little closer. She's asleep. She's totally sleeping. She moved from here. She moved from this corner since we went to dinner. She moved from that corner to here and she's sleeping. She's totally resting right now. Birds roost at night. So if she were dead, she wouldn't be standing up like this. You can see her breathing. See her healing. But yeah, she's breathing. She's breathing. Thanks for joining us, Candid Travels, Texas, with injured dove. She just woke up. I just want to show you guys she's okay.
Okay, good.
Her eyes are open. Her eyes were open, and then Mom woke her up. Mom woke her up. Oh, sorry, you were resting. Okay, she's a-okay. A-okay. Just you guys, I just want to see she's a-okay. You walked too close there, Mom.